Welcome to the do-it-yourself installation of the In-N-Out pet door. Drill the pilot holes and install the hook and eye screws. Connect the adjustable spring. Drill the pilot holes and install the plate. Position the pet interface on the edge of the door. The pet's head should push against the middle of the pet interface. For small pets, it should go lower, and for larger pets, higher. Drill the pilot holes and install the pet interface. With the In-N-Out pet door installed, your pets can go in and out at will. Thanks for watching our video.